So wanted to ask you guys super quickly, with the way that GameStop and that AMC ended today, I mean, I'm not too sure if you guys saw on the day, GME, which is known as GameStop, lost about 20% during normal trading hours and an additional 4.7% after market hours. AMC lost 5% during normal trading hours and about 0.5% during after market hours. Now, the thing that I'm pretty impressed by is that it's not necessarily making lower lows anymore from the lows that it made during today's pre-market session for AMC. And again, kind of like middle of the day, it hit lows of what was that, 1970. GME hasn't continuously sold off. So it looks like they've, I mean, if you look at the past 1 hour, have sold off quite a bit. I mean, I'm not here to sugarcoat things. Like these stocks got ran through. I mean, they got destroyed. They lost about 70% from its highs of $80 to the current price point. Now, I'm never here to say that there's no room to make money, right? Because I think that with all of this attention that it has, with all of this hype that it comes with, there is great opportunity if you know how to enter and exit these really risky stocks successfully. So I was thinking of maybe tomorrow I can host a free live stream here on YouTube, and I just break down. I was going to create a little cheat sheet on the criteria that I would need AMC and GME to hit for me to consider day trading it. Now, in no way do I consider any of these to be good investments. They still come in a great form of risk, but I think by being able to combine the risk calculator that takes risk to reward ratios into consideration, your profit potential, your profit loss, but also the simple criterias of when trading reversals can be very useful, especially because they've pulled back so much that if going into next week, they see any form of hype, and because they've sold off so much that they just, establish a support and begin to pick up from there. Again, now we are at $20 and maybe it could try to run back up to $23, $25, $27, $30 per share. And because these stocks are so cheap, they do offer great percent ROI for those that know how to get in and get out or manage losses appropriately. So I thought it would be cool to host like a 5 to maybe 15-minute free live stream tomorrow on YouTube, breaking down the tips and the criterias that I would look for when day trading these meme stocks like AMC and GME. So again, if this video gets over 500 likes, I'd be more than happy to host that. And also make sure that you guys message me on Instagram. If you guys haven't picked this thing up already, my Instagram is linked down below. It's our risk calculator. You can just send me a direct message risk, and then I'll send you the link so you can download this free Excel sheet for free. Other than that, again, if not, I completely understand. Just wanted to see going into next week. I just want to make sure that a lot of people going into next week don't get caught bag holding these like very risky stocks known as AMC and GME. And at least with these tips and tricks can maybe help you create a better edge on how to appropriately manage your risk, but also know when to actually enter a position when these potential reversals end up forming. So I hope that earned your thumbs up. Get this video to over 500 likes. Make sure you subscribe, and maybe tomorrow we can go live for about 5 to 15 minutes, breaking down those tips and that criteria checklist. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.